ASEAN member states and the +3 countries, China, Japan, and the Republic of Korea, have reaffirmed their strong partnership in tourism during the 48th meeting of the ASEAN +3 national tourism organizations aimed at boosting regional unity and shared growth. Jim Rebiosa will give us the latest updates from Cebu.
For the Department of Tourism's Undersecretary Verna Esmeralda Vonsuceso, this cooperation is more than just a partnership. She says it's a bridge between cultures, a way to bring people closer together, and a driver for economic recovery in the region. Undersecretary Vonsuceso shared that tourists from China, Japan, and South Korea have played a huge role in ASEAN's tourism rebound. In 2024, the region welcomed more than 20 million visitors from China, over 3 million from Japan, and more than 9 million in South Korea. Numbers are expected to climb even higher than year 2025. Vonsuceso said tourism connects people and culture and is a key tool for building understanding across borders. She highlighted the ASEAN +3 Tourism Cooperation Work Plan as a platform for collaboration, dialogue, and joint initiatives.
Our partnership between and among ASEAN, China, Japan, and the Republic of Korea is not just a collaboration. It is a vital alliance that highlights the profound role of tourism as a catalyst for unity and mutual prosperity.
Vonsuceso also praised the ASEAN China, ASEAN Japan, and ASEAN Korea centers for helping promote tourism's and regional goals. The Undersecretary also urged all member states to build a tourism sector that is competitive, inclusive, and resilient.
Our partnerships, we can champion cultural exchange and foster innovation in travel experiences, thereby enhancing the appeal of our destinations to travelers from every corner of the globe.
The push for closer cooperation also focuses on innovation in travel, protecting cultural and natural heritage, and making the region's destinations more appealing for future generations. Delegates from Japan and South Korea, including Japan Tourism Agency Deputy Commissioner Hironobu Nara, joined the meeting along with representatives from China. Here in Cebu, preparations are underway for tomorrow's opening ceremony at Mactan Shrine. Officials say the ASEAN Tourism Forum will draw leaders, dignitaries, and visitors from across the region. This is Jim Rebiosa, SMNA News.